From the most sought after range of Caroma toilets, the Urbane 2 Clean Flush Back to Wall can't be overlooked. This is Caroma's flagship toilet that features their patented Clean Flush technology and is perfect for modern bathroom renovations. A completely open rim combined with a generous drop zone and additional flushing power, Caroma's Clean Flush technology makes cleaning easy and more hygienic. One of the design's key benefits is reducing the discomfort of having to brush clean after toilet use. All Urbane 2 toilets are designed to sit 40mm higher than standard toilets, making them more comfortable and easier to stand after use. Additionally, the seat is more durable and manufactured from high-quality thermoset material, ensuring a longer lifespan. One of the biggest challenges of any bathroom renovation is the ability to colour match all your products. This back-to-wall toilet is available with an extended range of colour options for their flush buttons. And to complete your colour theme, the Urbane 2 toilet seat hinges can be matched to all other Caroma products in your bathroom. With bottom water inlet and back water inlet options, this toilet is perfect for a straight replacement or a fresh bathroom renovation. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft-closed detachable seat, so there are no hard-to-reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. The Urbane 2 has proven itself to be one of Australia's most popular toilets and is a highly recommended option for bathroom renovations.